Hey guys, good morning all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone guys, can you please confirm? Is I'm audible guys?
Yeah, yeah.
Anyone? Right. Okay. Fine. So guys, like yesterday, one demo session has been happened, guys. So I think one or two people who has joined for the today's class. So yesterday I just started with some introduction part. So I didn't started with any implementation. It is a very basic fundamentals like what is data visualization? Why do you require a data visualization? Okay, what are the different ways we can do the data visualization? So just a little bit idea, guys. Like mainly, you know that what is data visualization has been. So mainly data visualization is a technique where we convert our raw data, whatever the raw data was there, the raw data is going to be gets converted into, which is going to be a kind of what we can say, a kind of which is going to be some kind of a visual we can convert them, guys. And why should I convert is why? Because yes, it is basically the basic reason is nothing but it is basically whenever you want to easily understand the data or easily whenever you want to interpret the data, we are going to take the help of which is going to be the data visualization tools. So what are the different ways we can create the data visuals? There are going to be multiple ways are there, guys. One is by either by coding or either by using GUI based. Coding means nothing but we have to write some kind of a coding with the help of some Python or something like an R language. That is the way how we have to work with them. Or that is way we have to go for coding. But where is the what is the main drawbacks are nothing but it's going to be something like it is a time consuming. Basically, it is a time consuming. And second thing is it's going to be a little bit a kind of an expertise is required. Some you need some expertise in Python or some languages like R. These are going to be some of the basic things that are going to be gets required, guys. And whenever you want to go for a GUI based, that is nothing but what we call it as graphical user interface with a simple drag and drop without having any much knowledge of any programmatical skills or without having any knowledge of any which is going to be prerequisites. We can create the kind of a visuals what we can create them, guys. So these are going to be some of the things which we discussed in the last session. Apart from that, I also have discussed about like what are the different type of generation tools. Like I told you about that, what are the different ways we can create it. So earlier before 2000, we used to use crystal reports. From 2001 to which is going to be 2012, we have the reporting tools like Cognos. We have something called as a business objects. So SQL Server reporting services, SSRS. These are all going to be some of the what we can say some kind of an data which the different types of tools we used to use it. From 2013, you can say 2013 to till date, whatever the till date is there. So we are using some kind of a reporting tools like from Power BI, Tableau. These are all going to be the latest generation reporting tools, guys. And apart from that, why they have been came also, I told you about that. Power BI, this third generation reporting tools, which are capable to work with many of the which is going to be cloud-based storages, guys. Mainly, there are going to be supporting of cloud. Mainly to support the cloud only, they have been got created, guys. And apart from that, it is going to be something like what we can see. I explained you about the history about that. And what about the different roles also, guys? Like nowadays almost all everyone requires everyone needs everyone needs the skill of data visualization, whether you are a IT or a non-IT professional, everyone requires, guys. So whenever if anyone wants to interpret the data or anyone wants to understand some data, for example, let us say this, guys, like some our for example, let us say for our personal purpose, like for example something like what we can say, some like kind of an which is going to be we can say that some are our which is going to be monthly which is going to be expenditure. So we have a note of all the expenditures are there, so we have maintained all our expenditures every day, what is the category, how much you have been done. So I want to do some analysis monthly. How much is the total expenditure you are doing? We are just expending. What is the total expenditures? So what categories you are spending more? What categories you are spending less? So that we can identify. So which is going to be how that particular the analysis of that is happening there. So something like this, the way how we are going to be gets implementing, how we are going to be implementing. Just a minute. Just a minute, guys. Just a minute, guys. Right. So yeah. So that is what we discussed about that. Like what are the different roles are there if you want to become a report developer or a data analyst or whether it's a data engineer. Almost all everyone requires the basic skills of which is going to be the data visualization skills, guys. So anyhow, we are going to learn something about the Power BI, guys, right? We are going to learn about something called as an Power BI. Okay. So today I'm going to start with a little bit introduction to Power BI. We know that Power BI is going to be nothing but it is a data visualization tool from Microsoft. It is going to be from Microsoft. This is going to be what we have been, whatever the Power BI was developed, it is from Microsoft, guys. And even I told you before the Power BI was started in the year 2013, guys. Then before the 2013, do the Microsoft is having some reporting tools? Yes, guys. So it is going to be nothing but what we can say from Microsoft, which was developed after, which is going to be SSRS tool. So SQL Server Reporting Services. What is the name of the tool, guys? Which we used to call it as SQL Server Reporting Services. We used to call it as, guys. What is that SQL Server Reporting Services, guys? SQL Server Reporting Services is nothing but it is also one kind of a data visualization software. Then why the Microsoft came up with the Power BI when already SSRS is there? So SSRS is basically designed for a non-cloud computing, guys. That means whenever you are not using any cloud storages, then SSRS is better case. But latest technologies are working on the cloud only, guys. Everything is working on a nowadays. It is a cloud. That's why majority of the clients are moving towards the Power BI, guys. So anyhow, Power BI is a data visualization software from Microsoft, which was developed. It is not the replacement or not updated version of SSRS, guys. It is nothing but successor of SSRS. So Microsoft completely, they have been, the SSRS is completely, it has been deprecated, guys. Almost all it is about to close, guys. Almost all. Recently also the Microsoft announced something about SSRS. Almost all features of SSRS are migrated to Power BI. So from now onwards, they have been, they made it completely, they have been outdated now. It is going to be SSRS is outdated. Okay, anyhow, whenever we want to work with Power BI, mainly what are the different softwares or tools we have to work. So today I'm going to tell you about a few tools of Power BI, guys, which we generally use them. First of all, remember, guys, Power BI is a data visualization software. The first tool is nothing but what we are going to write it as. I'm writing in a shortcut way, guys, PBI, which I'm going to call it as an Power BI, which is going to be desktop. So the first tool we have to work is going to be nothing but Power BI desktop. See there? So on my screen, you can find out one tool with a name called as the Power BI, which is going to be the desktop is going to be available there, guys. What is the name of the tool, guys? It is going to be Power BI, which is going to be desktop. Can you see, guys? There is a tool called as an which is going to be Power BI desktop. Yes, what is this Power BI desktop tool, guys? Power BI desktop is nothing but it is the main designer tool, guys. First of all, mainly Power BI desktop. The name itself is saying that desktop mainly compatible for which is going to be desktops and laptops. Basically, for desktops and laptops, we are going to use this Power BI desktop, guys. So if you want to work with Power BI in your machine, in your computer, you have to use this Power BI desktop, guys. And you have to download from Microsoft official website. What is the main purpose of Power BI desktop is, guys? This is your main designer tool. This is going to be the main, which is going to be the designer tool is nothing but Power BI desktop. So what you can do, guys, creating and which is going to be customizing the visuals. The customizing the visuals is going to be done with the help of the Power BI desktop, guys. So mainly the designers, whoever the report developers are there, who are the Power BI developers, they completely work on this particular Power BI desktop, guys. Mainly for which is going to be desktops and laptops, guys. One of the main designer tool and mainly for creating and which is going to be customizing the visuals, guys. We use as Power BI desktop. Just for a timing, I'll show you guys. Right now, you don't worry about that, which I'll explain in a couple of classes. This is going to be your Power BI desktop, guys. Open the Power BI desktop, guys. Open. I'm just double click on that Power BI desktop, guys. You can see the Power BI desktop has been got installed, and you can see the Power BI desktop, guys, from Microsoft. Clearly it is from Microsoft, guys. Okay, now just I'll show you some examples, guys. I'm not showing anything. Just in the morning 6 a.m. we have a Power BI batch is there. Just recently they have started with the data visualization, guys. See the whatever the data visuals they have created. So these are going to be some of the data visuals what they created recently, guys. See there. This is going to be the complete what is going to be the designer and what is going to be the customization. So we designed the reports and we also customized the reports also, guys. See there. For example, see this report, guys. For example, otherwise you have a look at the report here, guys. So if you can see, I done some customization. I given some which is going to be title to this customer ratings on seat comfort. How the customers has given the ratings on the seat comfort. Males and females. So females and males who has given the ratings. So if you can see, these are going to be high ratings where they have given high ratings, they have given low ratings. It is all the data related to some kind of an, which is going to be airline passengers, guys. That's why in the background, I have given some kind of an airlines, which is going to be an airport image, something like that. I have been set some kind of an, what we can see is some kind of an setting customization, what I have done. Simple, generally we don't create the visual simply, guys. We are going to do some kind of an customization also. We have to give it. So all these kind of a tools, all these kind of an applications are going to be done with the help of this particular Power BI desktop, guys. This is what we call it as Power BI desktop. Okay. This is a designer tool, but how you are going to give this report to the end users, guys? How we are going to share these reports to your clients? So directly I don't give, guys, because the Power BI desktop file is going to be saved with the extension of which is going to be which is going to be PBIX file. The Power BI desktop file is going to be saved with the extension of which is going to be .pbix file, guys. Okay. So next one is going to be, sir, how can you give these reports to your clients? Directly, we don't give the PBX file directly to the clients, guys. We don't directly give the PBX file directly to the clients. Then how we are going to give them? So to share the reports to that particular users, we have another option called as which is going to be a Power BI service, guys. What is that? It is going to be Power BI service, guys. It is not a tool to download. This you have to download, guys. Download it and install it from the Microsoft website. But Power BI service is which is going to be a cloud-based, which is going to be nothing but a cloud-based, which is going to be managing tool, guys. I'll tell you the architecture, guys. It is a cloud-based, which is going to be managing tool. What is meaning of cloud-based management tool, guys? The reports, whatever we have designed by using Power BI desktop, how we are going to share these reports to the clients? So it is completely done through this particular Power BI service, guys. If you want to open this, we don't install them, guys. If you want to open this Power BI service, what you have to do, guys, you have to use this URL app.powerbi.com. app.powerbi.com. This you need not to install, guys. Power BI desktop, you have to download and we have to install. Today I'll show you how to download and how to install. I'll show you, guys. I think I need not to show you, guys, because this is going to be a very simple tool. Anyone can download, anyone can install, guys. It is going to be app.powerbi.com and it is going to be a cloud-based, which is going to be managing tool, guys. If you want, I'll open it, but in your system, it won't open them, guys. You can't open it. Because whenever you want to open, you require some kind of an accounts are going to be required, guys. See there, it is going to be app.powerbi.com. Can you see there? App. Which is going to be powerbi.com is going to be nothing but what we can see with an example, guys. See there? See there, guys? It is going to be the app.powerbi.com. Whatever the reports I designed there, all these reports are going to be, it has been projected here, guys. All the reports, see there, how the reports we have been designed. In your class also, we'll create them, guys. See there, whenever I click on which is going to be, see, car analysis, it will go there. Again, I'm going to coming back. So this is going to be laptop sales analysis. So again, I'm going back to the index page. This is an index page, guys. This is going to be nothing but index page. See, whenever I click there, it is navigating to that particular pages, guys. Wherever you want, I need not to search here, guys. I can go there. I can again come back to the starting page. So we'll also learn, guys, how to design all these reports and all these things. We'll discuss in your batch also. We'll discuss about that. But in your system, if you try to open this app.powerbi.com, if you try to open this app.powerbi.com, it will ask you enter your email address. So you cannot access this in your computer right now, guys. So leave it. So once again, guys, this is going to be app.powerbi.com. What is the main purpose of this, guys? Here it is only management. No designing can be done, guys. It is completely management, administration and management. Means like who can access the reports, security. Who can access the report, guys? Security, or which is going to be sharing of the reports. Who can access the reports, to whom these reports can be accessible, some kind of an which is going to be sending the reports, which is going to be scheduling. So all these management can be done with this particular concept called as an Power BI service. It is like an administrative tool, guys. So who can access the reports, who cannot access the reports, okay, to whom the reports has to be sent, when we have to schedule the reports, when we have to refresh them, all these things, it is done by Power BI service, guys. But this is a cloud-based management tool. It is not a designer tool. Main designing is done from which is going to be Power BI desktop, guys. See, whatever the report you have designed here, you have to send these reports to Power BI service. This is what we are going to call it as an publishing. We have to publish the reports, guys. Whatever the reports you design in the Power BI desktop, publish them to Power BI service. Now from the Power BI service, we can share the reports to the users. We can send them directly to their, we can directly send them to their particular emails. You can send them as an attachment to their emails, guys. Whatever you want, we can do them. There is another way is also there, guys. Your clients can access the reports by using another tool called as, which is going to be nothing but what we call it as Power BI, which is going to be mobile. What is the name of the tool, guys? The third tool is going to be nothing but it's a Power BI mobile, guys. The name itself is saying that it is a Power BI mobile. You know that what is meaning of a Power BI mobile, guys? Power BI mobile is going to be nothing but it is going to be mainly for what type of devices, guys? It is mainly for not for desktop and laptops, guys. Mainly these are for mobiles, and which is going to be nothing but mobile, or which is going to be tab devices. Either for which is going to be mobile or tab devices, we can use this particular Power BI mobile, guys. And you know from where you have to download. It is not from official website of Microsoft. It is going to be downloadable from your app store. They can be downloadable. They can be downloadable from which is going to be from app store, guys. So if you want, if anybody wants, you can check it out, guys. Open your app store, Apple App Store or Google Play Store. So search for Power BI. There is an official website, official link from the Microsoft, guys. Microsoft Power BI we have to download. Even if you want 2 minutes, even less than 2 minutes, guys, not even 10-15 seconds it will take, guys. If you want, we can download from the Power BI mobile, but you cannot open it once again. So for this Power BI mobile and for this Power BI desk service, guys, you require some accounts are required. Without having the accounts, we can't work with them, guys. Without having the accounts, we can't work with them. So it is going to be Power BI desktop is a main designer tool, published into which is going to be Power BI service. From there, the users can access through their mobiles, guys. What is a Power BI mobile, guys? Power BI mobile is not a designer tool. It's not a management tool. It is only for LOS2, which is going to be view the reports, guys. LOS2, which is going to be view the reports from where, guys? View the reports from which is going to be from Power BI service. I'll tell you, guys, from the Power BI service, there are allows to view the reports, guys. Only for viewing the reports only we can use the Power BI mobile. No designing, nothing can be done with the help of the Power BI mobile, guys. Power BI service is only for management. Power BI desktop is going to be for designing of tools. So mainly we are going to work with these three different type of tools. We are going to work with them, guys. A Power BI desktop, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. We are going to work with Power BI desktop, guys, Power BI service, and Power BI mobile. These are the three different tools. Mainly we are going to work with them, guys. Okay. I'll tell you, guys, just a little bit architectural wise, I'll tell you. So in a company, how the enterprise level it will work, I'll tell you, guys. For example, there is a Power BI developer one is there. There are two or three developers will take in, guys. Power BI developer one, Power BI developer two, and Power BI, which is going to be developer three. There are three developers are working, guys. For an enterprise, there are three developers are working, guys. Developer one, developer two, developer three. They are designing various reports, guys. He is working on sales department reports. They are working on HR department reports. These are going to be working on different reports, guys. So whatever the reports they design, how we are going to share the reports, guys. So how they will share the reports, guys? See there. This is the intermediate platform. That platform is nothing but what we are going to call it as, which is going to be nothing but what we are going to call it as the Power BI, which is going to be nothing but service. Whatever I have shown you guys, which is going to be Power BI service, app.powerbi.com. So whatever the reports that developer one creates, he will send these reports to Power BI service. That is what we call it as publishing. Whatever the reports the Power BI developer 2 created, it is also going to be published here now. Here also it is going to be published. So developers will design the reports, and they will publish the reports to the Power BI service. They will submit here, guys. So these are going to be some kind of a reports and visuals that are going to be gets created like this, guys. These are going to be some reports are created here now. Now, how to access these reports, guys? There are multiple ways are there. These reports can be sent as an email attachment to the client, which is going to be the client's mails. The client mails or the whatever the business managers mails, we can send them, guys. We are going to send these particular reports as an attachment of email to the client mails. Otherwise, one more way is there. Directly the clients can access directly the report from this particular Power BI service with the help of the Power BI mobile. Through their mobiles, directly they can access them. So once the Power BI developer publishes the reports to Power BI service, immediately the clients can access the reports directly from their mobile. No need of sending an email attachments. All these things we don't require. I'll just show you an example, guys. See, generally I'll work with multiple batches, right? So have a look at that. Just I'll show you the example, guys. So we schedule, guys. We schedule one report, guys. Say there every day it is going to be at morning 11:30 or 12 o'clock, guys. I think 11:30 or 12 o'clock we have been scheduled, guys. At what time we have got it, guys? 12:23 p.m. 12:23 p.m. guys. See there, whatever the reports we have created there, the airline analysis reports are coming here, guys. As an attachment, these are what we call it as subscriptions. If I open this dashboard, guys, I can see the dashboard here now. See there, this is the dashboard. This is going to be one sample dashboard, guys. See there how we created the dashboards, how the users can access the reports from that particular dashboards. These are going to be some kind of an app kind of a thing what I created here, guys. See there some example. Got the point, guys? So these are going to be something like what we can see. The users are going to be directly the mail has been sent to my mail ID, guys. It has been sent, guys. This is going to be another report here, guys. There is going to be, I think, same report it is going to be. Go to the dashboard. So when it has been scheduled, guys, it has been scheduled at 11:30 or 12 o'clock we schedule, guys. 11:30 or 12 o'clock we have been scheduled, guys. So this has came at 12:35. I think that has came at 12:30, 12:23 something we have got the time. Again today, again at 12:30, again I'm going to get in, guys. See that these are the two mails which I have got it from the, which is going to be that particular application, guys. Right? So one I got it at which is going to be same time, almost all same time I got in, guys. We can see the reports. Like that, the clients can access the reports to the emails, or directly the clients can install the Power BI mobile directly in their mobile. I'm saying that not through their mails. Directly they can install a Power BI mobile. They can install it on their machines, on their devices, and directly they can access those particular mobile. Through the mobile, directly we can access the reports, guys. That is going to be the one another technique what we have to work with. So we'll use all of them, guys. I'll show you how to use Power BI desktop, how to use which is going to be the Power BI service, and how to use a Power BI mobile. All the three tools we are going to work with them. So among that, which one you can download and install now, guys? First, we have to download and install, which is going to be Power BI desktop. These will be later work, guys. And this one I told you now, guys, this Power BI mobile, you have to download, install from your app store in your mobiles directly. Whereas the Power BI service, guys, the Power BI service is going to be nothing but what we can see, which is going to be nothing but what we can see, the way how we have to work with, which is going to be something like this, what we have to do that. Okay. So that's it. That is going to be the one what we have to use as part of that particular Power BI service, what we have to do with that. So let me download it, guys. It is going to be downloadable. So directly we can download it, guys. Very easy. So download it, guys. So I can go here and simply you say, which is going to be, I say, which is going to be download Power BI desktop, guys. This is your official website, guys. It's a direct official website, guys. Can I say, guys, it is going to be directly the official website of which is going to be Microsoft. If anyone wants, I can just copy this, guys, and I'll share you this particular link. Directly what you can do, guys, click on the link and directly click on the link, guys, and directly you can access these reports, guys. If you want, you can download it, guys, directly given the website. So directly what you have to do, guys, before downloading, let me check it out. So this is the latest version of which is going to be Power BI Desktop. Every month there is an update will be released, guys. So see there, this is on 16th of June 2025, guys. It was released on 16th of June 2025. Let me check once. Let me check once. What version, what update it is available in my computer. Generally, I don't have a latest, maybe, see, recently only it has been installed, guys. Generally, I will update them. Generally, every new batch, I will update them. But it may not be that much, which is going to be old version. Can you see there? There is one about option is there. Otherwise, you can open the Power BI desktop. Here we have a help. We have an about option is going to be there, guys. See there? It is going to be June update only, guys. June 2025. What is the version, guys? 2.144. It is going to be 2.144.679. That is the whatever the version is, guys. What is the version it is showing you, guys? 2.144.878. Almost all same version, guys. 2.144. Currently, my system is having 2.144.679. This is major version, guys. The 2 is nothing but what we call it as major version. 144 is nothing but what we are going to call it as something called as a minor version. And whatever that 0.679 is going to be what we call it as build version. That means a small build, guys, small build change. It's not any main version is not updated or minor version is also not updated. So even my system is also showing me as a June 2025 update only, guys. Only thing is 2.144.679 is there. Latest version is going to be 2.144.878 is there. So what you have to do, guys, download it. Which one we have to download, guys? The second one, 64-bit you have to download, guys. You know that, right? 64-bit. Our all operating systems are now working on 64-bit. This is a 32-bit, guys. If we install 32-bit, it may not support all the functionalities. That's why better always install 64-bit, guys. Download it, guys. It takes a little bit time because it is 790 MB. Almost all 800 MB was there, guys. So it will take some time to download it, guys, depending on your internet speed. Depending on the internet speed, guys. So my internet is slow for today because right now there is a power failure. So I connected to secondary internet service. It's a little bit slow. So don't worry, it may take a little bit time, guys. It is taking 3 minutes, not more than that, guys. Installation is very easy, guys. Download it, install it, guys. Double click, just next process, guys. We don't require any much time or anything. It is not required, guys. No confusion. Anyone can install, anyone can download, anyone can install this software, guys. So it is taking some time in my system, guys, right now because due to my internet problem. So right now my internet is down actually. So I connected to secondary internet. So it is taking a 5 minutes or 10 minutes. It is showing that, but not a problem. Just download it, guys. Just double click on that. It will install in the downloads folder. Double click on that and just install the software, guys. Once if you do that download and install the software on your desktop, guys, on your desktop, what you can find out is there is one small icon which is going to be a shortcut for this particular the Power BI desktop. You can see, guys. Just if you double click on this, it is going to launch as your Power BI desktop software. So very clear, guys. Microsoft Power BI desktop. This is Microsoft Power BI desktop. What generally I'll do, guys, it is going to be something called as a blank report. This is going to be what we can say about the blank report, what we have to do, guys. See there, this is going to be something called as a blank report. So don't worry, we'll see within a couple of days, we'll start with the practicals, guys. Okay. So hope all of you can download and you can install the software. Please download and install the software from your side. So you don't face any issues, guys. Anyone can download and anyone can install the Power BI desktop software, guys. Okay. So please download the software for today, guys. I'm not showing the installation because it may take some time to download and install. Installation is very easy, guys. Just double click on that and just next. There is nothing to do. There is nothing to do, guys. Just everything is next procedure only, guys. Okay. In my system, it is already there. So obviously I don't require to install it once again. So please download and install the software from your side. Hope all of you can install the software, guys. I already given, guys, already shown you how we have to work with them. So how we have to work with them, you can see the particular application, guys. As I said that, simple, nothing is there, guys. Simply you say download Power BI desktop. So directly go to which is going to be download Power BI desktop, guys. And this is going to be the one what we have to understand, guys. So download and just install the software, guys. That's it, guys. Apart from nothing is there. Apart from which is going to be nothing is there, anyone can work on this application, guys, and they can see how it is going to be exactly, it is going to be gets working with them. Okay, so download, guys, download and install the software. So tomorrow I'm going to show you how to work with the Power BI desktop. I'll show it in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay, so just for today I have discussed about what are the various tools are there, guys. Power BI desktop, Power BI mobile, and Power BI which is going to be service, guys. Power BI desktop is the main designer tool where all my reports are designed, saved with the extension of .pbx file. Power BI app, guys, the service, what we can say, a common platform to management all these reports, from where I can deliver all the reports to the clients, or users can access the reports directly from their mobiles. Third one is going to be Power BI mobile. Power BI mobile is a software which is compatible for mobiles and tabs, not for designing part, guys. They can access the reports only from the Power BI service. So these are the three tools which we are going to work with them, guys. So anyhow, this is also an introduction class. So yesterday we have taken a half-an-hour class. Today also another half-an-hour class, guys. So just for today, we'll stop it here, guys. So please download and install the software, guys. Tomorrow I'll start with a little bit basics of how to work with the Power BI desktop. I'll start it in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class from my side, guys. So you guys having any questions, or if you have any doubts, guys, so you can unmute yourself and you can speak, or else if you have any doubts, guys, what we can do that. Yes, yes, it is going to be, yesterday's video is also available. Don't worry, my backend team is going to send you one updated mail, like a, what they call it as a follow-up mail, they call it as. Right now, it is not available with me. Right now, it is not available with me because right now it is not there. Anyhow, don't worry, my backend team will send you the updated mail, one follow-up mail they will send you. In the follow-up mail, you can find the link for the yesterday's class.
Yeah,
Okay,
sure, Vamsi.
right. Yes. Anyone else, guys? Any questions if you have? So if you have any questions, guys, so you can just clarify, and then we can end up the session for today, guys. No questions, guys? No questions, anyone? Okay, then. That's it for the today's class, guys. That's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, we'll stop it here, and we'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Same time, same link, guys. Okay. Thanks all of you for today. We'll meet up in the tomorrow's class, guys. Thanks all of you for today, guys.